Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect AirPods to laptop. Firstly, place both AirPods inside the charging case, close the lid and wait a few seconds and make sure the AirPods have at least 20% battery for a smooth pairing process. For Windows 11, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Devices. Alternatively, open the Quick Settings menu from the taskbar. Click Add Device. Now open the AirPods case lid and press and hold the small circular button on the back of the case. Keep holding it until the LED light flashes white. For AirPods Pro, the light is on the front. Now your PC will now search for Bluetooth devices, look for AirPods' name in the list, then click Connect. Wait for a few seconds. Once connected, your AirPods will show as connected and ready to use. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.